Module Online Learning. Title: Downloading, installing and using VOSviewer. Part 1. Downloading and installing VOSviewer. VOSviewer can be downloaded from the official website. The software can be used freely for any purpose. You can find the latest version of the software on the Download tab. After visiting the website, you need to go to the Downloads tab and select the correct file for your operating system. I will download the file for the Windows operating system. After downloading the zip file, you need to unzip it into a new folder. After unzipping, click on the application or .exe file. You can now use the VOSviewer software. Part 2. Using the bibliographic data from the Web of Science database in VOSviewer. The first step is to open VOSviewer. Then you select Create. You need to select the type of data you want to use, and you have several options. You can use network data, bibliographic data, and text data. Since you want to use the bibliographic data from the Web of Science database, I will choose the second option. Next, you need to select the data source. You can use data from the bibliographic databases such as Web of Science or Scopus. You can also use data from reference managers. Finally, you can download data via various supported APIs. I will choose the first option as I have already downloaded the files I want to use. Now you need to select the bibliographic data you want to use and upload the data into the program. The downloaded files should be in plain text format or tab delimited format. You can upload multiple documents. After you have selected the files you want to analyze, you can press Next and get started. On this screen, you can select the type of analysis, which we will discuss in more detail in the next video, the unit of analysis, which may differ for different analysis, and the counting method. You can also use a thesaurus file for data cleaning. Thank you.